Welcome back, dear children. Welcome to another session of our new class. Yesterday, we learned about a poem named Make Room for Elephants, written by Ruskin Bond. I hope you all enjoyed that poem. Through that poem, the poet Ruskin Bond tells in his piece of work about the crowded world, and the elephants are compared to it. The character in the poem wonders where would the elephants stay in this crowded world. He further says if they don't get any space out there, he would happily share his room with them. Here we can see an innocent child who ready to share his room and board with the elephants. But the poet wonders what would happen if the elephant's dad comes over to stay with them too. The poet is surprised how his mom would react to it. We know this is a kind of humorous poem. Children, why this poem is known as an humorous poem? Yes, we all know elephants are the gentle giants of the animals kingdom. So, it is not possible to make room for elephants. Children, today we are going to study exercise part of this poem. Play with words. Here we have one exercise. Add the suffixes y, er, able, full, en or est to the words within the brackets. Page number 32. Before doing this exercise, we want to study suffixes. Let's see what is a suffix. A suffix is a letter or group of letters that is added to the end of a root word or a base word. That means a suffix changes the meaning of the root or base word. For example, see children, here paint. Paint is a root word. If we add er to paint, we get painter or one who paints. Okay, then what is this children? Yes, this is a farm. If we add er to farm, we get farmer. Next one, suffixes adding ing or ed. When we add ing or ed after the root word, what will happen? Let's see that one. Okay. Forget plus ing, forgetting. Prefer plus ed, prefer. Here what happened children? Yes, the consonant is doubled. Then we get forgetting and preferred. Next one, spelling rules Y to I. Examples: fly, flies, happy, happiest. What happened here children? Words that end in Y change the Y to I before adding a suffix. Now read this. Make plus ing. Here what happened children? Here deleting the silent E. When a word ends in silent E, the letter is removed before adding the suffix. Understood? Now let us summarize what we learned today. Today we learned about suffixes. A suffix is a letter or group of letters that is added to the end of a root word or base verb. Okay children, this is a time to say goodbye. Thank you and have a nice day.